and define attributes of metal type. So normally standard metal types are available. So many standard metal types are available. You have to remember all those standard metal types called. If somebody will ask you what is the metal type of raw material, then your answer is ROH. ROH. Look, this raw material. Then if somebody will ask you what is the finished product metal type, then FERT. What is the semi-finished product metal type is HALT. So in this way, you have to remember the number of metal types. Okay, so you will get means if somebody will ask you, then it will be very easy to answer it. Okay, so what is the material type actually? Metal type in the sense to categorization to segregate different types of material. Which type of material you are going to create? So when you are going to create a material, you have to specify your material type. That is called material type is already standard. SAP standard has been provided. Okay. So if you want to create a new material type, then what is the process? No, system will not allow to create a new material type because copy an existing material type. You have to select any material type. For an example, I am going to select a ROH. I have to select this line item, select this material type, and click copy as. Then I am going to create a customizing material type. For an example, Z. Okay, ZRO material type I'm going to create it, and I have to change the description as well called Z boundaries. Okay, in this way you can create it. What is it called? Field reference. Field reference in the sense it will control which type of field you are using in the material while creating a material. Okay, with the specifying this material type, it will get control means which field should be mandatory, which field should be optional, which field should be high. Those all things it will control this field reference. Field reference of material type means when you are pressing enter by enter, you are jumping to screen by screen. Okay, so it will control this one. Field reference material type. So just first of all, I am going to create it. Press enter. Again press enter. Click continue. Then save it first. I will explain all those rest of options are available over there. Okay. So what happened? Just get inside, select this line item, click detail, which we have created as a arrow material type right now. Okay. So I'm going to tell you about this cross band status. What is this cross band status? Means you can block the material for some reason. Different type of reasons are available over here in this search help. You can able to find it. Why you are going to block a material? For different reasons are available. So the block function, if you want to, suppose if I'm mentioning is a 30 or something offset of 99, okay, and I have make it save right now. Then what happens when you will create a material or change a material? The same field will get update in the same option will get update in the material master. So I will show you right now as a burning example. I'm going to create another session. Go to MM one. Just for checking the default values. 0. This will this ZRO, this metal type. I'm going to use it. Only select the basic data one. Right now only. What is the plan for us? Not required. Look this. Cross plan status automatically updated 99. Why automatically updated? Automatically updated reason is we have maintained in the configuration is 99. Okay. So normally what happened? We are into this. We are into this cross clamp status. If you want to make some default value over here, then automatically it will get update in creation of the material or change of the material. Okay. Same as like this options are called item category group. Item category group also is belongs to like when we are going to create a stock transfer process, third party process, or different process we have related to SD integration. We can use this function as well. Okay, if you want to update some, make as a default value, then you can make it. Okay. Special material. We are coming to here called external number assignment. External number assignment without check means what happened? System in this, if you are using this checkbox, then system will not check for this material type some number ranges has been assigned or not. Means external number range. So I'm going to select this. Okay. then I'm going to create with external number assignment with the same material type. Look, slash n mm01, and for an example, look this. System is not able to check it because system is not checking key with this material type is in background. System is means external number range has been assigned or not. If I'm going to select this checkbox, uncheck this cell, means unselect this checkbox, what happened right now? Let's check. I have saved. Okay. I'm going to check it right now. Slash n, just replace the transaction code. It's also checking because already assigned with this material type, I think. The external number has been assigned. That is the reason it is working right now. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this checkbox always. If the user wants to create a material as per the requirement, they need to create an external number ranges or without external number ranges, it will work.